Hello guys, just would like to share and just find new fully loaded Pokemon Scolipede. It's just amazing. It's fully loaded in Australia, Greenwich. All information, 1515, yeah. So, how to catch Pokemon, what you like, whether fully loaded or not fully loaded, depends what you're looking for. So, it's very simple. Go to your, see, three stars. Three stars, yeah. So it's very simple. Just go to feed, choose what you're looking for. It could be anyone. Some of them is like empty, no results, yeah. So don't worry about that. Just look for another one empty. Now it's not empty, as you can see. It says how loaded and CP. Yeah, like this one second is 12, 14, 14 and CP 632 and loaded 89%. And cooldown is 36 minutes. So just teleport, look around. Don't walk too far away, as it should load game and should be around this place. Yeah, as you can see, find him. So when you're finding Pokemon, what you're looking for, now it's a bit lagging. Probably I should restart my phone. So when you're finding, just go inside, like to catch Pokemon. Go inside and wait for a cooldown. 40 minutes, 50 minutes, depends on your cooldown time. Do not throw away straight away, as it flees. I can show you, as you see. If I'll throw, it's fleed away. So normally you should keep the screen open until cooldown expires, and then you can get your Pokemon. Otherwise it's fleed away and you will waste your time. So enjoy guys, have a nice day. Don't forget to like and subscribe for latest news and updates. Bye.